Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera settings to keep high picture resolutions on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the camera app. In camera, tap on the settings icon at the top corner. Next, in here we scroll down and then tap on settings to keep. Next we go down and then tap on high picture resolutions. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. Now here's a high picture resolution. Keep 50 megapixel and 200 megapixel resolutions applied instead of switching to the default resolution when you close the camera. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.